are you baking?
Yeah, I can clean
I
it
do
up.
indeed.
Yeah. I'm just
When I
thinking
go?
like,
I
as
just
I am.
tend to
Not
not
now.
do that
I do
because
it every
I
morning.
don't wanna get you on my bad side, but if
clean
it's
it
going out the door,
Every morning I clean it off
What's
and I
your-
change its
What do
cage.
you, what's
At
your
Christmas,
number
I
one
Make,
Christmas
put
thing?
clean new
hermits with
food in
Christmas food
there.
in it, but lots of kids don't like
And
them
new
so much.
celery,
So mostly for kids, I make sugar
Yes.
cookies
don't we?
and
I
for
need
bread, and
more
I make
pieces.
butter tarts and lemon tarts. And I used to make fruit cake, I don't do that anymore. But for the bake
I think
sale,
that's enough, Michael.
You had enough, you had
I
two
make
pieces of celery and
a
two
variety
cookies.
of that kind of stuff, because I was gonna make some for,
No, you're not having another cookie.
Why?
so when is this?
Because you had two. Two is enough for a little
So
boy.
not this Saturday, but the next.
Okay. Just
Good
open his cage
excuse to get my
so
recipes
he
out.
goes in, so he can go in.
Find out what's my.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
got
say
a
it's
good
been-
idea.
Well, didn't do any baking at all last. Oh no, I did make some shortbread. It wasn't
Whoa.
all that good because I didn't have the whole mix fast.
Whoa, look. And we can fly.
My mom makes something that's.
And we can fly over the leaves.